Hi, I'm Mel.
And I'm Nettie.
And together we are
Living Free Zipcodeless.
Living in our 40-foot diesel pusher named Freedom.
Along with our Norwegian forest cat named Jack.
And please follow us on our
Living Free Journeys.
Okay, today we are going to make Jared's famous guacamole. Salsa, dip, chip. Oh my goodness, what kind of seed is that? Oh, that's no good. Oh, but nasty. Okay.
Oh no, I'm gonna cut the onion to put in to get it a guacamole salad. But they say sometimes, oh, that make me cry. They say if you hang your tongue out, oh no, I don't want to drill an onion. No.
Oh, hello, dear. This is Mrs. Doubtfire. We're going to cut the tomatoes so we can put in Jared's guacamole salad. Oh, let's take a look on how we're... Oh, that's not good, dear. All right, now we're going to cut the cilantros. We're going to make it good. You got them French fried taters. I like French fried taters. You know, since you've been square, I'm going to be square with you. You cut the cilantro with the scissors, and it makes it a lot easier to cut. All right, Mike, now that we have it all smashed up and all together, though, now we're going to take some pepper, and we're going to make it just like that, Mike, and put it all in there. And I like this Himalayan salt here, because it's got everything you need in there. And we make the salt, put a little salt in there like that, and stir it all up. We don't have any lime, so we're putting lemon juice in there. Just a little bit, Garrett, don't matter. It's gonna look nice. Crikey, Mike. Look at that.